I came up with the idea of the air hood while looking at my own extractor hood when I was a student, and I knew I could do something to make it more user-friendly, to make its maintenance easier. I realized that the portability and the small form factor were two very important aspects to allow people to have one at home, because the fact is that many people simply don't have any extraction system at all. The idea that everyone deserves to live in a healthy and cooking environment is what drove this project from the beginning. As the world's first portable kitchen hood, air hood, designed with a very small footprint that allows you to easily place it directly near the pan or pot when you cook. The air hood redirects the cooking fumes out of the way and filters it to keep you safe from toxic fumes. We are extremely excited to bring the air hood on the market. We know it will benefit many people. Our design and tooling process are finished and we're ready to start the production. Your pledge will help to make the air hood a reality. So from the whole air hood team, thank you.
For more such videos on innovative products, subscribe to our channel Big Boys Toys Global. Check the description for product information.